Hello, good morning. Good morning. Wala pang toothbrush at saka hilamos. 14. So, every 14, sineselebrate ni Papa niya si baby, akan nilang birthday. So, ngayon, dami siyang binili. So, ngayon, aga-aga kong nagbablog kasi tungtuwa si akan sa regalo ng Papa niya. Ito. Yan. Tingnan mo, may sarili na siyang ganito sa bahay. Wow, kaniyo kata ni nak-nak. Sugoy na na. Yukata na. You must have some electric fan here. I think we need to buy the small one. No, we just open once she play around this area. Yes. Kaneng. Sugoy da na. Sugoy da na, Chang. Arigato, wa? No, yesterday night that we bring the carpet, right? Later I wash that one. Pom. Very big, made the pom. Which pom that you said? Ah, yeah, like oh, that one na. Okay. I know. Not pom, the mat, right? The small one mat, right? I need to wash that one first.
Under. Yeah, under.
Yeah. But I need to wash also. Okay, yan lang yan muna. Thank you for your watching. Babu.